Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you steps on how to increase your spending limit on Revolut. First, you have to open the app. Launch the Revolut app on your device and sign into your account. Step 2, go to Cards. Tap the Cards tab at the bottom to see all your Revolut cards. Step 3, select a card. Choose the card for which you want to adjust the spending limit. Then for Step 4, access the settings. Tap Settings, then choose Spending Limits. Step 5, enable the limit. If it's turned off, toggle on the spending limit switch. 6th step, set your limit. Enter your preferred monthly or per transaction limit, up to a maximum of 5 million GBP or equivalent per month. Step 7, apply changes. Tap Apply to save and activate your new spending limit. For the final step, complete verification if needed. If your current verification level restricts your limits, you may be asked to complete extra identity checks within the app. Important notes: always make changes directly through the official Revolut app to stay safe and compliant. Spending limits help you manage your finances and add a layer of protection against fraud. Revolut may adjust or set restrictions on limits depending on your account type, region, or regulatory rules. And that would be all for today's guide. Thanks for watching and have a good day.